Hey, it's Abhi here, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to find affiliate products, Clickbank products to promote with brand bid strategy on Microsoft Ads. Alright, so first of all, let me show you how I do it. So for example, I will go and click on top offers here, and you can see all the top offers. If you want, you can sort by gravity and everything, but that doesn't matter. I'm looking to do brand bidding in this brand bidding strategy. Right now, basically, how I do it, there's a particular strategy that I do it. So for example, I want to run brand bidding on this product called Alpha Tonic. All right, so what I will do is I will go to Microsoft Ads, I will go to the keyword planner. All right, and I will click on search new keywords, and the location would be USA. Okay, you can actually add Australia, New Zealand and everything if you want, but here's my strategy. So my product is Alpha Tonic, right? So this is just an example. So what I will do is I will type in a couple of keywords here: Alpha Tonic reviews, and then Alpha Tonic scam. And I think that's enough as a start. So I will click on get suggestions. So it has showed me some suggestions. You can see there's ad group suggestions here, and there is keyword suggestions here. If you click here, right, here's are some examples, right? If you click on average monthly searches, that's gibberish, right? Herbal supplements, that's not a really great keyword. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click on this button, keyword by relevance, and change it to search terms. All right, now you will see the exact search term volume that you want. Right, so here Alpha Tonic, here is 1k to 10k searches, but if you click on this little graph here, right, you will see the exact amount of searches per month basis. So in September it was 13k, on October it was $11,000 11,000 searches, on November it is 10,000 searches. So it is pretty stable. All right, and then there is Alpha Tonic reviews, and you can see it just popped up on November. That means people are searching for it. And Alpha Tonic scam, and here you go again, 160 searches. So it is pretty stable as well, right? You can add Alpha Tonic ingredients and things like that. Now basically what I check is if all these three let's say Alpha Tonic reviews, Alpha Tonic scam, these are my keywords, right? Now all these three keywords combined, is there a minimum of 1,500 searches on Bing? Is there that, right? If it is, I will shortlist that product, and then I will go ahead and Clickbank and search for Prodentim, right? Search for Icaria juice. So let's just look at Prodentim here real quick, right? So Prodentim here, Prodentim, then Prodentim scam, then Prodentim reviews. All right, so these are three keywords. Now you might ask why I am including the scam keywords while others just include that in negative keywords. The reason is people type this up, like for example Prodentim scam here, right? People type this keyword to look if the Prodentim product is a scam or not. All right, and you will be creating a landing page that has a review style on it, and you will be addressing this issue. You will ask a question like, is Prodentim a scam? And in that paragraph you will answer that like it is not, basically, right? If you want to sell that product. All right, and you can see here with Prodentim, that is an insane amount of searches, but suggested bid is insane as well. That is an INR, by the way. This Prodentim scam, it's pretty decent. Prodentim reviews, that's pretty decent as well. All right, so this is a product that you can go after, but the bid is quite high. The one strategy that I like to implement, I do go after these products, right? If you have now watched my previous video, then in a previous video about Bing ads, then you know that I am promoting this product called Prostadine. Even though it is expensive, it is super competitive, right? I am still making money with that. All right, Alpilin. So by the way, with the brand bidding strategy, a lot of questions that people ask is like, is brand bidding allowed? If you go to the affiliate page here, all right, is brand bidding allowed? So let's just look at here, and here you will see it, this one, right? Here, no brand bidding. Affiliates may also not run ads on Google AdWords or any Google property by bidding on Prodentim based keywords, any pay-per-click ads, things like that. That are landing pages that are similar to scam or fraud, or create a custom incentives for purchasing Prodentim, etc. Right now, people are running ads on this product here and making money. Okay, now how do I know that? How do you know, how do you know that? Let's say if there is ads running on Prudent Team. So this is a website that I use called vpnmentor.com/tools /search from, right? You can just Google it, VPN Mentor. Oops, it just opens up. Let me just Google it to show you. Let me just Google that one, and you will see there's the VPN Mentor site, and you can click on search by location here, and you will be inside here. So what this basically does is it's basically a VPN. So you can search here for Prudenting. All right, and I will select Google here, and I will select the country is USA. Okay, and search. All right, it should show me all the ads that are running on Google, and you can see for the term Prudent Team there are a lot of people who are running ads, right? Sponsor. And if you want, you can actually go ahead and check what site they are running. So for example, this one, all right, the first one, let me just copy that over to Notepad, and let's me just copy that, the website, and open it in new tab, right? Control V and enter. So this is the website. This is not the website, but you can see it goes to a certain page, but we have just selected the website here, right? But you can check here the pages. All right, so Prudent Team, that's the page. I think that's not the page, so let's go back and let's go check the first one. And yes, this is the page that he is running the ad. All right, and he's quite smart, right? He actually just copied what the main page looks like, the main sales page of Prudent Team looks like. If you can see, is the website is the prudentin.website. Okay, it's not allowed to add the Prudent Team, so he just had prudentin.website/Prudent Team. All right, and if you click order now, notice that this will change the prudentin.com, and it changes to the affiliate ID. All right, direct affiliate, and you can click on here and it will take to your buy button, and you will see it is the buy goods affiliate link right here. Okay, and let me just take a look at another one, right? Because why not? So let's just go and take a look at this one. All right, new tab. I will delete the rest. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just pasting everything and just taking this one, just the website. Okay, so enter, and I will see what the page looks like. So here you can see again, so you need to let us do a little bit research here in this page, and you can see, you can click on the page right here, it will take you to the Prudent Team page. And here you can see this is a very simple landing page, and it kind of works. If he's running ad for it, it kind of works. So let me tell you why you can bid on these terms. So for example, if I click on order now, and if I click on buy now, I will show you something here real quick. Okay, so if you see here, you can see affiliate equals some gibberish right here. Okay, now if there is something, let me just copy this one. Okay, and let me just show you so that you can understand it better. So if there is something called .inv at the end of affiliate ID, then that means the vendor has stopped paying this affiliate the commission, and this affiliate sale is going to be invalid. All right, so that is a way. So if you go through enough landing pages of these ads, right, of these ads, and you see like there is no .inv, like there is no .inv at the end of these checkouts, these affiliate IDs, and that means there is no problem brand bidding on it, right? And in most cases what happens is vendors get lazy, okay, and they simply go to others. So for example, affiliate page of Ikari Juice, and you will see similar terms here, right? Affiliates may not run any PPC brand campaign. So what they do is some vendors are lazy, okay, and they just copy paste this from here to just add it to their JV page. That's it. Like they are doing this, so we can do this also. And the traffic restrictions, they don't have to write it from scratch. Most do that, and they don't really care about you brand bidding. Now a lot of offers here, right? A lot of offers here do care about brand bidding. So for example, Alpiline, Ikari Juice, right, Red Boost, right? These vendors do care that you are brand bidding, and if you do brand bidding, their tracker shows that thing in their back office, and they can quickly, you know, make your commission zero and remove you from promoting their product. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, coming back to the research, keyword research here, you will see that this is just what I do, right? I make a list like 3 or 4 products just like this, and if it is like, for example, let me just go and enter a new product, something like, let's go. So I guess this is a new product, right? Pura Vive. So I will just go and add Pura Vive reviews and Pura Vive scan. That's basically it. All right, and get suggestions. Right, as you can see here, it might look like there is a low amount of searches, but if you click on the graph, boom, that's just 1 month searches, and it is averaging like few months. Okay, so this is a new product, and there's a lot of searches, like 17,000 searches for this, and for this keyword as well, 480 searches. Right, so this is something that you can promote, right? That you can try to promote. Now, if you go here and if you go to the VPN Mentor, and if you search for Pura Vive, right, and if you click on search, you will see a lot of ads running that you see here, right? And you can go to not this one, yeah, you can go to these websites, check for their affiliate ID and see if it is working or not. Now, in future, if they actually go ahead and search for ads, and if in future if they stop you from brand bidding, you know, just move on. That's the game of brand bidding, right? But you can cash in, right? So for example, in my case, you know, I cashed in with this product called Red Boost here. I made a ton of money promoting Red Boost with brand bidding, and then they just made my commission zero. Well, that is okay, you move on. All right, so this is basically how I do a simple keyword research. Now, there are strategies involved. Now, this doesn't mean that you can go ahead and, you know, just run ads like this, you know, create a landing page and you will be profitable. There is little strategy involved. There is a proper strategy involved to lower your CPC. If you have noticed my previous videos, you can see my CPC is average CPC is very low compared to what suggested is. And a lot of people pay a lot of money and still don't get results, and I pay like almost half of it, and I get sales and I make really good profits, over 100% ROI. All right, so if you want to actually learn from, you know, where I learned it from, then you can check the link in the description. It will be a free training. You can go ahead and join if you want. All right, so it will be in the description, and I hope this video helped you. I hope I answered your question, you know, what product allows brand bidding and stuff. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.